running into an issue with Shift, have any questions for Shift, well, our wonderful support team is here to help you. Here's how you can get into contact with us. For starters, we have our support page here where we have 2 different channels that you can connect with us through. The first one is up here, submitting a request. By clicking into here, you can fill out as much information as possible to help us help you. You'll have the opportunity to provide us a description of your issue or question, along with any attachments, and the more details, the better for us. Submitting this request will immediately create a support ticket for us to review and get back to you. The next way you can reach out to us through our support page is our chatbot. Our helpful robot Remy will help answer any questions you may have. Most times, you'll find the answer you're looking for through Remy. You can follow the questions Remy provides, and if you still need help, you can press the button to contact support. Next, you'll fill out the prompts, you'll fill out some information, create a summary, and press send. This will once again create a new ticket with our support team, where we will get back to you as soon as possible. Finally, another way to get in touch with us directly would be to email our support team at support@tryshift.com. Here you'll want to create your subject line and describe your issue in great detail. And there you have it. That's how you get in contact with us. We look forward to answering any questions you have and solving any issues you may have. Don't be afraid to reach out. Thanks so much.